Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Empirical School to learn smart English. Today we're diving into a very important topic, synonyms. So, what are synonyms? They're words that have the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. For example, rich and wealthy, help and assist, hide and conceal. Let's look at some examples together. A number exercise. Let's make sentences simpler by using synonyms. 1. Sir David is a wealthy banker. Sir David is a rich banker. 2. I will assist you in the shop. I will help you in the shop. 3. The house has been vacant for months. The house has been empty for months. 4. He was fortunate to escape with slight injuries. He was lucky to escape with slight injuries. 5. Simon did his best to conceal the ball he has stolen. Simon did his best to hide the ball he had stolen. 6. When we reached the summit of the mountain, we rested. When we reached the top of the mountain, we rested. 7. There was an enormous swelling on the boxer's forehead. There was a huge swelling on the boxer's forehead. 8. The garage was in the center of the town. The garage was in the middle of the town. 9. Apples are abundant in the autumn. Apples are plentiful in the autumn. 10. There was sufficient petrol in the car for a long run. There was enough petrol in the car for a long run. B. Number exercise now. Let's explain the difference between some word pairs. 1. Crowd and mob. A crowd is a group of people. A mob is a noisy or angry crowd. 2. Old and antique. Old means not new. Antique means something old and valuable. 3. Look and glance. Look means to see something carefully. Glance means to take a quick look. 4. Cry and sob. Cry means to shed tears. Sob means to cry loudly or heavily. 5. Tired and exhausted. Tired means needing rest. Exhausted means extremely tired. See number exercise, and finally, let's give simpler words for these. 1. Number comprehend means understand. 2. Number odor means smell. 3. Number remedy means cure. 4. Number intimidate means frighten. 5. Number courteous means polite. So, that's it for today's lesson on synonyms. Remember, learning synonyms helps you write and speak more clearly and creatively. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Empirical School for more easy English lessons.